Calling all busy parents, ready for a dinner that's as easy as it is tasty. Let's make slow cooker pulled pork tacos. For this recipe, you'll need boneless pork shoulder, or switch it up with jackfruit for a vegan twist. Mix chili powder, cumin, salt and pepper, and rub it all over your pork or jackfruit. Next, set your Instant Pot to saute mode. Add some olive oil and brown the pork on all sides. Don't forget the onions and garlic. Saute them in the pot for an extra flavor kick. Pour in some orange juice, lime juice, and vegetable broth. Then add the pork or jackfruit back in and set to pressure cook. 60 minutes for pork or 20 for jackfruit. Once it's done, shred that pork or jackfruit with 2 forks. Now, all that's left is to serve in tortillas with your favorite toppings like diced tomatoes, avocado, and cilantro. For slow cooking, just saute and transfer everything to the slow cooker. Cook on low for 8 to 10 hours or high for 4 to 5. Enjoy your easy and delicious slow cooker pulled pork tacos. Now that you have your delicious slow cooker pulled pork tacos ready, let's talk about the perfect drinks to complement your meal. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet dinner, these drink suggestions will elevate your dining experience. First up, a hot non-alcoholic drink, a classic hot chocolate with a hint of cinnamon. This comforting beverage pairs beautifully with the savory flavors of your tacos, providing a warm and cozy contrast. Next, for those who enjoy a hot alcoholic drink, try a warm spiced apple cider with a splash of rum. The spices and warmth of the cider enhance the rich taste of the pulled pork, making for a delightful combination. Finally, if you prefer a cold alcoholic drink, a refreshing margarita with a twist of lime is the way to go. The citrusy freshness and slight tang of the margarita cut through the richness of the pork, creating a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Enjoy your meal and drinks, and savor every bite and sip. If you enjoyed this video, please comment below with your thoughts. Click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos.